What's going on YouTube? Thrift School over here coming at you with a video. We got lots of stuff that we're doing today. I want to show you guys some packages going out. Right here next to the dead and dying Christmas tree that we finally have removed all the ornaments off of. This needs to go out to the trash because it is February 23rd, I think. So yeah, that's got to go bye-bye. But down here we have some great orders. Got a couple DVD box sets right here. Got a huge jacket that I was just able to fit in here, which is nice. And a shirt and another DVD set. So I do love those DVD sets. They sell great, consistent money. Very easy to package and ship. And they only cost $2.75 to ship. And then look at this big boy. I can hardly move it, right? That is an Amazon FBA shipment. Weighs about 40 pounds. And it is chock full of stuff, so that's gonna get to go off to Amazon, which I'm excited about. I haven't done an FBA shipment in a little while because I've been very busy around the house. So I got another one hopefully gonna go out later today as well. All right, now we're walking over to this car, the Saab. And I hate to say this because I love this car, but it is beat. It's beyond repair. So I sold it. Somebody's gonna be coming to pick it up a little bit later, so I'm cleaning it out. And I'm making sure all my personal information's out of here. I'm going underneath the seats, making sure there's no junk, no garbage. And I bought this car a little over a year, maybe 2 years ago, and I love it. I didn't drive it too much because obviously you can see the weather here in Connecticut's not the best. It's a convertible. I only got to use the convertible a couple times. And then I have my other car right here, which needs work as well. So we got two cars that need work, which really it's okay to me. But I sold this thing for $350, or I'm going to be. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but it has a really bad power steering leak. So I can't even turn the wheel. Like, I try so hard, and it's something that's a lot more complicated than I know what to do with it. The car has about 200,000 miles, I believe. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, right there, 197,000 miles for a Saab. That's not great. So I'd rather just get rid of it now. You could see the inside's not bad. There's a couple, you know, it's an old car. It's 1999. What do you expect? So I'm cleaning it out, making sure I got nothing in it. I have a few things in the backpack here that I gotta grab, a backpack, a jacket. And I think I might even have a few things in the trunk. Ugh. Oh yeah, I got some stuff I thrifted in here that I completely forgot about. We got a giant stapler. We have a pair of polo sweatpants, a bunch of DS games, a Monopoly NASCAR, a Funko Pop. Oh, this is stuff I won at Dave & Buster's, I remember that. Game right here. I did not pay $4 for this. I got this at the bins. I totally forgot this bag was even in here. What the heck? Oh yeah, a TI-89. So that's kind of interesting. I totally forgot I had all this back here because this car has been completely snowed in. I just finished shoveling it out this morning. All that snow was all right back here because once I brought this car back after a big sourcing trip, that's when it stopped working for me. I don't know. So 350 bucks, I'm happy about that. So then I'm going to be stuck with just the Subaru. Totally cool with that. I don't mind that. I love this car still. It does need work though, so sell this car to fix that car. Works for me. Should probably just buy a newer car soon. But I think we're also gonna go thrifting today. It's Sunday, which means all the Goodwills in Connecticut rotate their prices. So if one color was full price, this week it'll be half price. So that's pretty awesome. So we're definitely gonna be doing that. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Very long intro, but wanted to let you guys know about the car. Hopefully I can record that deal today, get some extra money in my pocket, and let's just keep cleaning this car out. Look at that, guys. It's already making me money. 5 cents, 10 cents. Holy moly. That's 2 bottle deposits richer. I love it. Of course, it's hard to see, but it started raining out here, and that kind of stinks. So I'm trying to clean this thing out. I'm getting covered in freezing rain, which was horrible. I'll show you how hard it is to move this steering wheel. I'm literally putting all my weight into it, and it's not even turning. It's kind of busted, so I don't know how this dude's gonna drive it out of here, but we'll see. I think we have a puppy dog laying on the bed. Hi, baby. How are you doing? You're such a pretty girl. I know more people want to see Sophia, so here she is in all of her glory, owning the bed. That's what she does. Oh, what? Okay, she just wants more pets forever. The petting never stops. I know. I also have a bottle of rosé over there. Oh, good girl, baby, good girl. All right, boys and girls, time to go to Goodwill. That person still haven't met up, still haven't done the car deal yet, but that should be in about an hour or so. So I'm gonna hit up Goodwill right now. Hopefully we find some awesome stuff. Let's go. All right, guys, so I just pulled into the Goodwill and checking my phone, got pretty excited. This actually, we have a bunch of good sales here, but I want to show you why I love picking up DVD box sets to sell on eBay. I paid $6 for this. Sold for $12.95. Now I didn't just pay $6 for one season, I paid $6 for 6 seasons that somebody just taped together at the thrift store. And here is the other right here, $14.20. So, I mean, that's 2 of them. I think I only have 1 season left. So I've sold 5 seasons between, I think the lowest, cheapest one I sold was $9.50 and the best one I've sold was about $16. But I only spent $6 and that, it turned out to be a great flip worth, you know, I don't know the exact number. Hopefully I pop it up on the screen so you guys can see it, but here's a really exciting sale. This one just came in, $170 for an original Xbox, but this original Xbox has the Halo logo on it and it's this cool green color, and I had the Halo controller, a regular controller, and I just showed that it turns on and all that good stuff, and show that it's playing the game. And you know, I actually didn't have it originally with this Halo game, and I found this game sitting in a box of games at my house, so it's not worth much on its own, so I decided I'd throw it in here, and I raised the price $20 after I threw the game in here, because I figured that that would just draw some more attention to the listing, and it clearly did, because I sold it for $170. I was able to sell it for more than I would have without the game, so definitely a great sale there. Very excited about those 3, and I have an offer on a jacket. This jacket is, I originally have it at $127. It's a Pendleton, but it's brand new with tags. The thing's super nice. This is, I've had this listed for a long time, as you guys can see. This is at my dad's house, actually, when I was living there, when I still had a bedroom there. So this has been listed for years, and I finally got an offer of, I believe, $60. Let's see. Oh, $80. Oh, that is a new offer. Oh, thank you, Garcon. Do I make a counter offer or do I accept? I have had it for years. I gotta make sure I know where it is because it's been sitting for so long. So I'm gonna wait to do anything about this. Let's go inside Goodwill and let's find some good stuff. So far, so good in the cart. We got a Guitar Hero guitar, a bunch of random things. I didn't look these up, but I was just talking about box sets and I found a bunch of Big Bang Theory Blu-rays for $2. So we'll see if that's worth anything. I'm still looking around in here. It's, the electronic section's pretty empty, sadly, but that's okay. There are a bunch of toys, and I always say these white stickers mean they're from Target. So, like this right here, they want $15 for it. Let's take a quick look on the Amazon seller app. $19.99. So, yeah, obviously no money to be made. So you always, I mostly avoid everything with the, you know, little white stickers on them. And a lot of these things, like that's $4. Let's scan it real quick, and let's see. Looking at $7.40, yeah, so no money to be made. So kind of a shame, but we are still looking in here. It's very, very busy today. All right, guys, just left. Got a bag of goodies here. I didn't film that much inside. I just showed you stuff real quick because of how many people were in there. Music was blasting. I could have done a voiceover, but I didn't want to be shoving my camera in people's faces. I mean, this place is packed. Every single parking spot. Well, besides that one right in front of me, but it's jam-packed in there with people. It's crazy. I did get a nice little bag of goodies, though. Put back the Guitar Hero guitar. It was broken, so it did not want to mess with that. But we got this Obama Chia Pet for $2. Sells for $20. Not bad there. There's some profit. I'm gonna make about, what was it, $12 after fees, so that's pretty cool. We got a couple of these mantle clips. Now I thought these were just some generic thing, but I scanned them in. They're actually selling for about $20 a piece, and we got 2 of them at $1 a pop. $2. This one, well, this one was $2 and this one was only $1, so we got a little bit of differential in pricing here. I picked up this, which it's a Party Time Karaoke Girl Pop Mega Pack, woohoo, and it's not bad. I mean, it was $1. I think it's selling for $14, so not a lot of profit, but still some decent profit. And then DVD box set, those Big Bang Theory ones were not worth anything because they were used. If they were new, I would have picked them up. Oh my gosh, I was stuck in there. But this was brand new, and this is NCIS, the 14th season. I guess it's been going on for a long time. And look at that price, $2. And this is going for about $15 on eBay. Shipping's gonna cost me $2.75, so I'm in the whole $4.75 on this after shipping, which is not bad at all. I paid $8 for everything because I rounded up. Where's my receipt? My receipt's in here. Let's see. There we go. The total was $7.55, and I rounded up 55 cents to make it $8 even. I normally never do that. Inside of Goodwill, they always ask you, hey, would you like to round up? Would you like to donate all your change? I most of the time never will. I don't think I need to when I'm buying stuff that's donated already. I don't think they need more donations out of me because I shop here so much, but I figured to do it because the cashier girl was really nice in there, and if they're really nice, I know it helps their numbers, I think, because I'm pretty sure they're pushed via their bosses or corporate. I'm not really sure how it works to make those roundup donations, and if they don't hit a certain amount of numbers, they get reprimanded. That's what I've heard from a Goodwill employee, but this was a long time ago. I mean, we're talking at least 2 years ago is when some Goodwill employee just told me all this. So I don't know if it's still true or not. Could be completely false, who knows. The dude is coming to buy the car right now, so I actually got to go print out a bill of sale, cancel my insurance on it, take the license plates off, and we'll get that sale hopefully recorded. I'll ask him if he wants to be on camera. If he doesn't want to, we won't record it. It's no problem. Let's go. So here I am, $350 richer, and honestly, he didn't want to be on camera. We didn't want to do any of that, so I just did the quick sale. Everything was good. Now, I'm probably going to get some comments saying, why would you sell a car for $350? Well, to be completely honest, that car needed a lot of work. It needed so much stuff to do, and it's old with a lot of miles. I'm happy to have this money, very happy to have this money, actually, because it's all going to go right into my Subaru to prolong that car's life. I love that car. It's a little high on miles, but it's great for the business, really. I'm able to fill that trunk with stuff. The back seats fold down, and I'm able to get so much in there when I go thrifting and when I pick up big lots of stuff. So I really, really, really like using that car. I'm not really in the market for a new car. I don't really care for new cars or anything like that. So even if I had a spare, you know, $25,000 laying around, which I don't, but if I did, I still wouldn't just go buy a new car and make payments on it. I just don't do that. I don't know. It's just me. Maybe you're different. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. Am I crazy for selling a car for $350? The kid, when he came, he couldn't believe it. He's like, I can't believe I'm getting a car for this great of a deal, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, you know, there's a lot of work you gotta do, but it is what it is, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.